Today we are gonna play with TNT Pop-Its. This is our first time, and I'm gonna be playing it with my brother and me. Okay?
Okay.
Go. Whoa.
Wow!
Do it.
Oh, harder. Throw it harder. Throw it.
Throw hard, Jello.
Super hard.
Throw hard.
Yeah.
Throw it.
Hard. Throw it down. Whoa. Is that cool?
Yeah. Here.
Snap it in your hand and hold it up.
3, 2, 1.
Go do it again. Throw it. Go, throw it. Oh, no, throw it.
Throw hard.
Oh, harder. Okay, go. Kuya, go.
3, 2, 1.
Bro, do it again. Come on.
Wait, where is it? Hard.
Pop it. Oh, no, harder. Like that.
I'll do it.
Boom. 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 See? Sparks. Okay, do it again. Here we go. Here it is. Here it is. This is it. I know this is it. Oh, you did it. Do it again. That was cool. Missed it. Oh, yeah, there it is. Boom. Oh, good job.
I'm gonna do it with my right hand.
Okay.
I am not a righty. I'm a lefty though. Wait for the next one. Let's go.